to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia goes to the barber, and she also went to have her nails done and in preparation to go to her friend's funeral in Aruba. Now, it's an interesting one here at the barber. Um, she's introducing herself to the barber. She's letting her know, or letting him know, I'm sorry, that, she is Marcia Campbell. And, she was talking about Miss D and the harassment that she's been getting. She's saying that this person, a man, reached out to her saying that Miss D told him to give her money basically for her trip. So she said she's been continuously harassed. And so she's expressing her feelings on that. She's talking about it. And, the barbers are around there listening. And as you know already, barbershop and hair salon, that's where you go and express yourself. And people listen. As she said in her video, it's a therapy. It's where you go for therapy because in the barbershop or the hair salon, everybody knows everything. They know people's business, what's happening in their lives. Every single thing is spoken there at the barbershop or at the hair salon. And so she's talking to this gentleman, a very nice gentleman he seemed to be. And she's letting him know, what's going on. And she's speaking. They're listening. And so it's a good vibes there at the barbershop. So go ahead and listen to what Marcia has to say there. And remember, guys, to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, lovelies, have yourselves a beautiful day.
He's a big blogger on social media, and me and them a fight against me and one woman. So them feel like say she more than me. So them harass them. Through them want to hear the truth. Them come and harass my phone over her. You ever hear about Dana Jamaica? And me and Marcia Campbell. So on Facebook. So I eat now them come and harass my phone. And I call up my phone every minute for the whole day and harass me. Yeah. Me and the Marcia with them always when me done them up. Yeah. So I eat now. Whenever I go up there, she go on with her foolishness and me clap back with her people them. Now them I call my phone. Yes, all day. No a man a call. Huh? Punk ass boy. Batchy boy, go look one behind. Huh? No. Two my friend did and me I travel. And it was sudden. So me go on me there on my page and me do something. So me go and me ask my supporters them for help me with it because the trip will cost all the money because it's sudden. Right. And a high season now. So I think call me I come about, Dana send me for call you, for give you money for your plane ticket. I try to feel like want insult. They can't insult me. Tell me no want it in front of him. I can't know her. Huh? Not more than the girl we called a while ago. And two my friend raised her up. We get him man for call ask about ticket. He get me. Wouldn't you sell water in here? You sell water in here? Me say me dear people. My phone has start getting harassed. This is called dirty boy call me. Oh, you get your ticket. Me say I can buy myself flowers. Me not even know. I can buy myself flowers. You know, some phone if you charge. I can't take off this, Cut it down as low as possible here. Not really ball, no, but it's low. And give it a nice shape up and something. Online connection. Me say people appear harassment. You want to see a pretty face? Because me big on Facebook, you know, so you know, see your face all over the place. So, me not put in a camera unless you want to go in, but I'm just saying. Okay. Lord, take time with this idea because it don't comb none at all. Me just wash and go. I don't put comb in there, just wash and go. From me cut it 2 months ago, me cut it. Me no comb it. Me just wash it every day. Yeah. So it's not it's yeah. So me say a peer harassment. Me I get people. Me say harassment. I call me. Me want to know if me are the only person. That's why I want to flood. Flood me cash up and help me and teach them something. That's what them fi do. Me say all man a call me. I cuss him off, you see? Did you chat shit? Where you take this thing for? Anybody want to see it? See the cash app right there. Eh? Only thing gonna can't intimidate me. Nobody can intimidate me. We have to rewind and come again. Me a real person. You can't have me on social media. Why me on social media over 15 years? Yeah, cut it down as low as possible there. Not ball like them, but I mean. Yeah. Come here, when I reach home, I can blend it. I'm gonna take the blend and dye my hair. But me not really wear me have on my wig. But you know, I don't know why people wear wig and them and then cut off, some of them cut off their hair short. And still have a wear wig. Some of them have a long hair catching on the shoulder, you know? And still put on a wig. Yeah, because they can't manage it. So, I call up my phone and take liberty. Oh, which party late? Where late? Yeah. Oh, I'm like, are you crazy? All when me don't have a dollar in my pocket, no can live like me. Me bless, I wanna curse. I when me live by my, I when me don't have a dollar in my pocket. Me bless, me no curse. Me don't know how to think when I talk. Me say like an idiot girl not top call my phone number. If the way you are going and I cost me, you need to find Jamaica and go lick out her behind. You need to go be a toilet paper and a pad. The way you call me and I go on. And these are the things that she endorsed on social media. And when she come out, she call up people name. Yeah.
Two last night also. Police afterwards on tonight.
Can you imagine? Can you imagine me just come out and asking for a little help and me I get cussed out? Can you imagine? And them not talk about, them not come talk about our big friend. We're in a jail for fraud. And them forgot talk about, then they for me. I talk about me and my friend. What me, look on the big news. Eh? Look on the big news compared to me. Me I get ready for go funeral. And them have big news and that. And look how me important. Then now what the big deal, boy? Eh? Who is the big deal? Eh? Who is the big deal? Look how much things you have. Election I go on a yard, I can't discuss it. But my name on the depend every day. Eh? Then you tell me. Look for the motor Jamaican with the on social media. But my name, you not worry about my life. Don't worry about fun life. Don't worry about mine. All when me live in a homeless shelter, I can't live like me. But I cannot live like me. I grudge with my life. And me tell myself finna have a joy and happiness. Hi Jake, how are you? But I learn to live happy and free. And me tell myself I got tangled up with a bunch of pitney. I'm go there with man who not married to no. Either on a time single or free or whatever it is. Live on a life. I don't want to come antagonize people. You only can chat on Facebook. I tell you not to come in front of me. Because I have a big truck phone already. And that's enough to do. You're not chatting too much, you must say I'm chicken batty. By the time I put the bleach in that, it die in no time. Nobody scrape it like a monkey, you know. But that's why I make sure. Me talking more attack of freeness. Barber no barber not. When you come a barber shop. A barber shop. A barber shop people come and express themselves. When they come to barber and hairdresser. Barber and hairdresser is a physical therapist. You didn't know that? I hear so they know who a cheat for who. Barber man they know everything. If you want if your man a cheat for you, come at the barber. If you want if you're good in a bed, and your man you're good in a bed, come at the barber. Barber know everything. Right here, so. So you never know that your barber physical therapist are the best therapist in town and hairdresser. We hear all our business. When the people come at hairdresser, then talk everything. Not true, me talk barber.
True.
You hear when say everything.
True.
Anytime you want to hear what's going on in your household, the barber them hear every story. Me not ask you. Hairdresser, who, them tell the hairdresser who them a cheat with. From when me used to go to hairdresser Jamaica Avenue and Jennifer, are the biggest Jamaican shop that. Every woman who have a man a cheat from a Jamaica, them talk it. Who have jacket for who have jacket.
Yeah.
Barber and hairdresser are the #1 therapist. You think you got a therapist in a doctor office? You come and right to the barber hairdresser, you hear everybody business. Who can do something good for who can do good? Who will do this and who not do that? You see that one over there, so in love people business too? You see, yeah, them over there. I know everybody business there now. See him over there, so he know everybody business. Everybody. See your face? Everybody business in know. Who I give jacket for who not give jacket? Who I give bun for who not give bun? Oh my gosh. You know if you do the styling, right? The zigzag or something?
Yeah.
Okay. But now you cut me like a lesbian no more, you cut it now or something. Yeah, you know. And every barber can cut my hair now. And my ear head is funny. And I don't want the whiskers like tall come down. Yeah. Not everybody can line up my head front. No, the ear. If you never want to see, or you tell me say there's a time and place everything, and you over here watch. What you think you call? No blogging? Eh? No content creating. What you call it? Content creating? They know you're over here, not them for cock off, put it on phone. You tell the rest of blogger them take off phone? Eh? When them hide in the darkness. And you can't even see them but now listen to Satan people in the darkness. And me I give on a light. Eh? But you know can't watch Satan people in the darkness and chat me. But when time you over here I give on a reality. That's what my page is called. The reality show of Marcia life. So what is the problem? You see me in the darkness? You see me in the darkness? No. But you know sit down 7, 8 hours and 9 hours I watch Satan people in the darkness and chat me. Hey, but when you come over here, so you come over here for? Yeah, where you come over here for?
Actually, I'm off in an hour.
And you tell me where you come over here for?
Oh, it's discovered they've detected some fraud on unauthorized purchases. Zero dollar fraud liability from Mixup. What are you thinking? Mostly yourself.
What a way if your picnic look like you are really cut to fit them there. No, sir. You think them are really cut to fit? No, sir.
There's nothing better than a Subway Series footlong, except when you add a new footlong sidekick. This is my favorite sidekick. What?
What about us now? I want to run to the gym machine. That gym, that shows I know issue. They were like machine.